So I am in here. I forgot to get my scale. I am in here with Goody's puppies and my glasses. I'm gonna change their collars and Dremel their nails. They just ate. So here is my names I have been presented. I'm not sure I'm going to keep all of these. Elvis, Eldon, Elroy, El Jefe. But I know who I would name El Jefe is this one. How big he is. Elvira, Ellen, and Ella Dean. Now we can't have two Ellas. Can't have two Ellas. We'll have to fix that. All right, babies. You just nursed your mommy. You're not hungry. So I have not really assigned them yet so much. The reason I have these collars on is for me to tell them apart when they nurse. And I put a yellow collar on a boy the other day. Who did I do that to? Was that you? Come here. Yep, that was you. So, what's the matter? For milk? I'm not hungry. You just nursing your mommy. You just nursing your mommy. Just. Oh, look, the eye is peeking open today. It was not yesterday. Do you see that? I just see their eyes open. Just their eyes open. Oh, I hear somebody sucking in the next pen. I will be right back. So they nurse this morning too. They don't need to be sucking on one another. When I'm in here, there's no sucking allowed when I'm in here. All right, you guys, let me sit down in here with you, and we will. Yeah. This is El Jefe. You gotta say it right, you know. El Jefe. I get my glasses on. I don't know if I'm really recording. Yes, I am. So, I got this new phone case that. Get up here a little more into the light. No, don't knock my case down. It's supposed to, I don't know the letters, but it's supposed to, the radiation, stop the radiation, and so I got this phone case. And I had one that was like a bag, but in and out, in and out, in and out, and, you know, 50 times a day was not working for me well, so. Okay, El Jefe. Who are you? My legs in the way. Yours are pretty short. This is a Dremel, brand Dremel. I need to get a link in the description where to get this. Are pretty good. Nothing sharp there. Who are you? Is this a girl? Is this the little Brindle girl? Oh, your nails are sharp. Now you just nursey. You're not hungry. So it's not difficult to do their nails. It's just sure don't want to get them bleeding, and they're very squirmy at this age because all they want to do is nurse. So you have to be careful. You don't want to pull their arm socket out, you know. They do resist you. It's supposed to be a beautiful, cool day. Thought about going riding, but my sister called and said my dad needs help. mowing his lawn today. It is 64 degrees this morning. How incredible is that? We had some beautiful rain yesterday. It's just beautiful. Rain in July is beautiful, trust me. Lily and I ran to Springdale last night and ate late. Which is not something I typically do. This girl is kind of struggling with her respiratory. Alright. I did bring a pin. See how they just want to be under me? It's for security purposes. I don't think what people don't understand too is your heartbeat and their heartbeat. Yeah, it matters. I know this one's kind of respiratory going on. Sent Daddy after some medicine for you. Yes, I did. She nursed good last night and this morning, but I gotta get her on some medicine. Let me see. Elvira. This is all fun and games until somebody poops on you. Are you pooping on me? You're pooping on me. Yeah, you got a sore butt. I'll get my tube of medicine after you. Who are you? These are paint pins. I really like them. My black markers on some of these guys was just coming off as soon as I put them on. That's a lot. I don't see my other. There's green. What's that? What is that for? I should have brought my. Clipboard thing in here. Okay, what's your name going to be? Ellen. Oh, well, that was interesting. Ellen. No. El Jefe. Sorry, guys. I'm doing my best, I promise. Hazards of... That was just sitting up there so good. And now... so good. So, this new expensive little case, although I would recommend this. It's a Sheldon, and for the price, it is really nice leather, and the stitching is very good on it. Oh, we used all the ink out of this thing. Maybe. That does sound pretty dry, doesn't it? What do I know? This one works, but it's got such a sloppy tip on it. It's kind of a sloppy tip, so it slops around. It's kind of hard to write with puppies all over YouTube. Yeah. Oh, it's not Ellen, it's Elaine. L-A. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. Pooping on me. Everybody wants to talk about how much they love puppies. Until they get to pooping on you. Armed and dangerous with enough rags. Okay, where did my Ellen go? I've lost Ellen. This is El Jefe. Oh, ow! That was your head. Those are the kind of boys. Where did she go? I think I had a boy and thought it was a girl. I think I'll give you to me, Ellen, and you. You feel good. Don't typically pat them all like that, but she's having some respiratory issues. Okay. E-L-H-E-F-F-E. Never known anyone ever in my life named El Jefe. Although this boy would probably fit the bill. He's the biggest boy in here. I think you get them too tight, and then you get them too loose, and they can actually get their leg caught in that collar, and that's not good. So but we do like at least 3 days of wear before they grow out of it. So you can't see from my legs. I need to do something different with my legs. I guess I could squat. This other brindle, we call him Elroy. Elroy. Feeling that in my left hip flexor. Don't like this pen. It is not at all sharp. Okay, Elroy is going to be the darker of the brindles. This down. Probably can't even see them all everywhere. Okay, Elroy. Not too tight. Okay. Ooh, this is a big old girl. can't see this one under my arm. El Jefe. This is El Jefe. Okay, we'll call you Elvira. Again, I did not name these puppies. My husband and Lily. E-L-V-I-R-A. No. E-L-V-I-R-A. I think I'm going to throw this away. I don't even like it. She's on. You have an interesting chest pattern. Get you mixed up. I wonder where the other foreign girl is. She's over there. Excuse me, don't let me sneeze on you here. What that was all about. So these collars, I really do like these collars. I don't think I need to sneeze again. Excuse me. Now you can't see any of the babies. I'm gonna get over here in front of this heater, and then it's gonna be hot. My red lamp's 150 watts. Red lamp. Excuse me. It's probably what I ate last night. It had cornstarch in it. Good egg drop soup. It was good. So I've got this retainer in, and my teeth are so sore. My spring roll was so hard to eat, I could say. Yep. Something last night I ate. It was snotty this morning. Okay. Elvira and... Oh, here. Let's do L. Dunn. Excuse me. Snotty. Okay, L. Dunn. L. Dunn. Ew. So my vet in Green Forest, his daughter that works for him is allergic to dogs and cats. Yeah, true story. She works in a vet clinic. Okay, that was L. Dunn. And they're nice, big puppies. This is kind of an interesting chest pattern. Where did my pin go? Okay, you Elvis. This pen is writing so bad you can hardly read what I'm writing. Okay, say something intelligent. I spelled Elvis without an L. Dr. Marcia wants Tanya and I to come over and play Scrabble. I'm like, Dr. Marcia, sometimes I struggle to spell. That may sound like a fun game to you, but it's not. Sounds like a fun game to me. It does not. And the cards, I'll play cards all day long. The right game of cards. Has to be fast. I'm not a chess player. like to slow think about his stuff. Okay, this is the brindle girl. She was the least little girl. Now, why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? I'm missing somebody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Oh, here, this other girl. Okay. Elvis, where'd you go? Sorry. Oh, he has no white whatsoever on his chest. What are we gonna call you? I'll call you Ella Dean. I like that. But we're gonna have to move the Ellen. Oh, did I ever give somebody a name? Her name is. Oh. Elaine. Her name is Elaine. It's a little tight. Now, see, I think I've got these so tight. And now, Elvira. They're not tight enough. Okay, come here. Where is my other? On female, I'm sorry. Here she is. Okay. Okay. So, figure this one out. Call you Ella Dean. I'm gonna call you something else. It's not gonna be Ella. It's gonna be something else. Think of a name. Let's see. Evelyn. How about that? Evelyn. Evelyn. Elaine, Elvira, Evelyn, and Ella Dean. Oh yeah, I can remember this. Evelyn. Just your chest pin up. Yeah, your black chest. Maybe I should have pulled the thing out of that green and put it in here, because this is not working well for me. E-V-L-Y-N-E. Okay. Let me see, we only do this every 3 or 4 days. Of course, it is easier if you've already got them named and you're just replacing their colors. It's faster. You're fine. You got a black chest. You got a black chest. You got a sore butt. You need. Oh, these eyes popped open today. These eyes have popped open today. Today, did the eyes pop open? You ain't got no teeth yet. They're 2 on Monday. Ella? Right. I can tell this one apart without a collar on. The 2 brindle girls are 2 different colors of brindle. One is black and one is more brown. They get stuck underneath this pig rail. It's funny. Okay. Extras. There's my trash. Oh, that's a good one. Throw this trash out and sweep it up. present to you Ella Dean. Who is that? Oh, Paula Dean, lady that cooks. I haven't heard from her in a long time. Okay, I don't even have a date of birth on here. You guys are 2 weeks old Monday, and I have my phone in here, but I'm using it. So, we have recollared them. Made sure all their front nails are short. Not scratching mommy. We have played with them. No, you're on my stuff. Elvis. No, you're not Elvis. You're Elvira. Alright. Eldon. Oop, Eldon, your nails are sharp. Like some scratching on me. Did that. I just got my nails done yesterday. I did that the last time I had my nails done. That's weird. That's weird. I got a chunk out of that nail. That's weird. I got into it with the Dremel. Took a piece out of it. Alright. They look good. These are Goody's puppies, and they are 2 weeks old Monday, and today's Saturday. So, just thought I would share the recaller with you. Not to say that I can't recollar them faster. If I have their collars made and I jump in here and just change them, it doesn't take this long. True story. It's only kind of tell. Alright, we'll get these guys back into... Ooh, I found more trash. Their individual little boxes. And we'll feed them again at noon.